Here I kept my all the things, my power bank, my tripod, and this is light. I don't know what I can call it. I forget. Sometimes I forget the name of things. This thing happened with me, but no problem. It will come in my mind, but later on. First of all, I have to grab all the things. I am going on the rooftop to record the video. Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be doing good, fit and fine. I am also good, fit and fine by the grace of God. So guys, I wrapped up my duty for today. After that, I headed to the room. I changed my uniform, put on the normal clothes, and then I grabbed my all required things and rushed towards the rooftop. And here people, they are sleeping because due to the new year, they got 2 days off, and we are poor people. We did not get any day off. Mr. Zaid, I just woke him up. He was sleeping since morning up to now time is almost 7:30 and he was sleeping, and after he woke up he said thanks to me because he has to go somewhere. No problem guys. Before deeper dive into the video, let me tell you something about myself. My name is Wasim. I am from Pakistan. Currently I am living in Dubai to earn bread and butter for my family. When it's come to speaking guys, I am a beginner and I am making the same mistakes as every beginner does. But no problems, because mistakes are part of our life. Without making mistakes, we cannot learn anything. So guys, what I did guys, as soon as I reached in the room and I grabbed my required things. Mobile is very mandatory, and mic is also very mandatory, and now I am here on the rooftop, and inside the room I am recording the video. What I have to do initially, I am going to do the exercise for some time, and then I will be recording the video, what I do to become fluent in this language, what I do to achieve the fluency, what I do to enhance my communication level. I am definitely going to share that things, that technique with you. But before that, let me just start with the exercise. So I am going to do the exercise. Outside is quite dark. Let me just show it to you. See guys, this is the situation outside. It is evening, so it is dark, drastically dark, extremely dark. Not that much, but still I can say that it is dark. I cannot record the video in this much darkness. So what I have to do guys, I have to take a support of that ring light, and after that mic is very important, otherwise I cannot record the clear audio. So take a look guys. Sky is totally clear, crystal clear. There are no clouds in the sky. What I am going to do guys, I am going to start the exercise. So guys, I put on the socks. Now I am going to put on my shoes, and here I am going to stretch my shoelaces. This is called pulling or stretching. I am stretching my shoelaces so that I can tie a knot in them. I am stretching my shoelaces. This action is called stretching guys. Just have a look. I am recording the video with my one hand, and other hand is busy holding the camera. So just let me perform the action. After that I will show it to you. Guys, see, this is called single knot. Just have a look guys. I double knotted my shoelaces. Now I am going to do the exercise. Guys, believe me, this is very powerful exercise. If you do it only 10 times or 15 times, then you will come to know like how difficult it is. Just have a look. See, by doing exercise I managed to produce some sweat, even though this is December is going on. And no, January, sorry, it's not December. December is already past. But still see, by doing this exercise I just release some, I can say that, drops of sweat. It is really tough, but I can say that it is very good to reduce the fat or weight, are very good for the health. So guys, by doing exercise I managed to release some sweat. As you can see, it is really daunting, difficult task, but still guys, when you push your body little harder, so at that time everything is possible. And what was coming into my mind when I was doing exercise, it is really mandatory to share, because most of the time we bottle up our feeling and we cannot express our feeling, because sometimes we lack vocabularies, we cannot form the sentences. But here I am going to take up this challenge. I am going to dare in front of the camera like what I was feeling while I was doing the exercise. So I am going to share with you guys, while I was doing the jumping jets, at that time this feeling was coming into my mind that as if I have a raw wound or unhealed wound and someone is sprinkling the salt or chili on them. So I am, my body and that wounded part was started burning. So at that time, I was feeling the same. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I am done with my workout for today. Now what I am going to do, I am going to start my reading and listening practice. I can say that it is shadowing practice or reading practice. So let's, first of all, what will I do? I will do the reading practice. So let's start the reading practice. So first of all, I think it would be better if I put on the mic, because as I am recording the video on the rooftop, and here beside me in my surroundings, I can say that in my background there are a lot of noises. Those are distracting me. So would be better if I put on the mic so that I can avoid those unnecessary noises. So guys, I put on the mic. Just have a look. I put on the mic. Now I think you guys cannot hear the background noises, but still I can hear the background noises, no problem. So guys, first of all, just let me show you that what I do to record the video, especially when I am outside and I have to record the video. It is dark, but what I do, just take a look guys. That is my ring light, and here I kept the stool. Actually, I was feeling tired. I did exercise, so just because of that I was exhausted and I was feeling tired. So I thought that why should I not put my leg on the stool, and here I am resting my legs on the stool guys. We cannot use it in the stool because this stool has no arm, and I am keeping my legs on the stool. So guys, this is the book. So let's start reading it out and loud so that we can tell our mouth muscle that this language is not strange to us. So let's start it without further delay. So guys, I read up to page number 60, and from tomorrow I am going to start from here. So guys, now it is time to start the third practice, that is called shadowing practice. And I can say that listening practice or shadowing practice would be better if I say it shadowing practice, because what I do oftenly, I just
See,
try
this
to
is how
speak
this might
as they
deceive
speak.
me
I try
sometime.
to
As I was recording
repeat
the
the
video, and
sentences
immediately I
when they
realized that
speak
my
on
voice
the
got
same time.
muted.
So
That time I
guys,
did not
without
realize,
further
but
delay,
later on when
let's
I was
start
editing the
our
video, at that
shadowing
time I came to
practice.
know that my voice is muted.
Ask yourself honestly, did he totally abandon the me? No. Abandoning all means is not faith, it is illusion. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala never built this universe on illusion. Another story, a man lived in a river, a place where the poor stayed, food would arrive daily. People of well would come and feed them. One day, this man said, I will practice tawakkul properly. So he locked his door. If Allah wants to feed me, he will feed me. The first day passed. The people came, the door was locked. They assumed no one was inside. He slept hungry. The second day passed. Again hunger, pain, weakness. But he said, I am trusting Allah. By the third day, hunger crushed him. When he heard footsteps outside, something stirred in his heart. A thought, a hope, a movement. And the people noticed. They opened the door. They fed him. Later he was asked, what do you think now? He said, word that should echo in every heart. There must be something with tawakkul, even if it is in. Guys, but today was my 6th day, I guess. So I have completed the sorry, today is my 7th day and I have completed this challenge, and like I recorded the video, and I did the speaking practice. This is speaking practice what I'm doing in front of the camera, listening practice, and then reading practice, and these all practices are helping me to become fluent in this language. So I can do, and even you can do it too, guys. It is not difficult. Initially it is difficult, but slowly you will get used to it. So I am going to end up this video here, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.